This is a auction is for a Traxxas Stampede, an electrical remote control vehicle. It is tested out. Everything works on it. It does come with a lot of extras. It comes with 2 batteries and a Dynamite Vision Peak 2 charger. Vision Peak charger, you can use either the clamps or it has a straight hookup, and it actually has the charge level on it. It tells you when it's charged up. It comes with the top qualifier Traxxas 27 megahertz AM digital proportional 2-channel radio system. It's missing its battery cover right here. This was already done on there. The batteries pretty much stay in place, but you'd have to, of course, replace it. And the batteries are going dead. But it does work. It does operate. Comes with the manual for the Dynamite. Like I said, this is one of the batteries. The other battery is inside. It does come with the cover of a pickup truck cover. See right here, got the front shocks. Has your battery here, fully charged. This is the Traxxas XL5 ESC, the Easy Set. You hit that, and it's on. You pop this on. See, it turns to green, sets it up. Puts up the tires. So the batteries are going dead. See, it's dying down a little bit here. But new set of batteries in it will work just fine. Turn that off just as easy as it does for that. Then you have the motor back here. It's the Titan 12T 550. See the underneath here. And it does have a piece here for the back, a replacement piece if you need it. Has a bunch of extras. Has a couple of your extenders. Has some wrenches, some Velcro pieces. Another little 4-way. A spring, Allen wrenches. Just a bunch of stuff. It's also got a bunch of these. Not really sure what these are. But this is going to be a buy it now. It's also going to be free shipping. And you get this and other items at our eBay store. Get it now upon 1500. Thanks.